Hi, topic for today is Wahl's law. Wahl's law is a theory developed by the German anatomist and surgeon Julius Wolff in the 19th century. Whenever we have to write any author's name or any scientist's name and his inventions, we should always write developed by. Like twin block appliance was developed by, not described by or not discovered by. It should only be developed by. So this law states that bone remodels itself in response to the applied stress. Whenever we apply any kind of stress on bone, bone will adapt itself to that kind of stress. For example, if the applied load is more, bone will become stronger, and if the applied load is stress or strain is low, then the atrophy will occur. The definition is bone reacts to mechanical and functional stress through an adaptive process. मीन्स जो भी बोन पे मैकेनिकल या फंक्शनल स्ट्रेस अप्लाई किया जाता है तो बोन उसके लिए एक अडेप्टेशन डेवलप कर लेती है, रिजल्टिंग इन ए चेंज ऑफ इट्स एक्सटर्नल एंड इंटरनल आर्किटेक्चर. It results in change of its external and internal architecture to better withstand the stress. So bone hypertrophy occurs in areas where stress and strains are increased, and bone atrophy occurs in areas where stress and strain is decreased. And how the supporting alveolar bone will behave to the stresses and how the basal residual bone will behave, that differs. Supporting alveolar bone may differ in its response to stress as compared to basal residual ridge bone. And the internal architecture of trabeculi undergoes adaptive changes, means whatever stress is applied, who goes under adaptive changes? The internal architecture of trabeculi, means the basal residual bone adapt itself, and the supporting alveolar bone, or we can say the external cortical portion of the bone, that shows the secondary changes, means the main adaptive changes will occur in internal architecture of trabeculi, or we can say basal residual ridge bone, and the secondary changes will occur in supporting alveolar bone, or we can say external cortical portion of the bone. So this all states the Wahl's law.